How to build backlinks for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build backlinks for free. So let's get into it. Now, the first way that you can build backlinks is using Haro. So Haro is basically Help a Reporter. And what this website basically enables you to do is that you can provide news stories. And in this way, you can actually sign up to become a source. And when you are a source, you can add your own website in the story, and it could get backlinked to you. So, what exactly are backlinks? Backlinks are when another website refers to your website's URL. And depending on the website that has linked to your website, it increases the overall keyword optimization for your website listing, or it increases the search engine optimization to be specific. Now, it's very essential to build backlinks if you want to reach the top pages of Google or any other search engine. And I would recommend that you do all of these things that I'm going to talk to you guys about in this video. You do all of them together to make sure that you are able to increase the backlinks to your website. So Haro is a simple platform. You can just click on I'm a source over here, and you will just sign up to become a source. And once you have put in your application, then you can start writing articles and becoming a source where you also have your own website included in the story. And in this way, you can get backlinks from large websites because Haro actually provides information or news stories to websites like The Time, The New York Times, Refinery 29, Mashable, Chicago Tribune, and other websites as well. So it's going to be a very amazing opportunity for you to get backlinks with other websites with high domain ratings. And these websites have super high domain ratings, and that will increase your keyword or search engine optimization by a lot. Now, what is the second way that you can get backlinks for free? Well, we call this the skyscraper method. And it is a very simple way that you can look for backlinks. In this basic method, all you have to do is you take any keyword of your choice. So let's say I want to rank high for a keyword ice cream. So what I would do is that I would pick a keyword. So let's say I want to do chocolate ice cream recipe. And I just want to take a look at the listings over here, and you can see these are the top search results, and I want to rank high for this specific keyword. Now, the next thing I want to do is I will study the top ranking content. So I will take a look at the content that is top ranking. It's a lot from, recipe blogs. It has a simple format. They are all formulated in the same way in a recipe format, so they can easily be displayed like so. Now, once you have studied the top ranking search results, what you're going to do is you're going to you're going to find who is backlinking to this content. So for this, you can use a backlink checker by Ahrefs, or I have a keyword research tool over here. So I'm just going to use my keyword research tool. It's called Keywords Everywhere. And I'm just going to activate my keyword research tool, and I will refresh my page. And now you can see I will get all of the information, the keyword information about this. And then I also can get backlink information. Now, for the top ranking search results for a chocolate ice cream recipe, I'm going to take a look at the backlinks on all recipes. So this is the second listing. And what I want to do is I want to take a look at the backlinks, and I will open up a couple of these backlinks. So this is reference.com. This is Precious Core, Frugal Freebies. Now I will just browse some of the other recipes or the other backlinks. A lot of these are from other blogs as well. And now, once you have taken a look at the backlinks, and you can easily use this tool that I'm using. This is just a Chrome extension. You can find this on the Chrome web search. You can find it on your Chrome web store, and simply search for keywords everywhere, and you will get this extension. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything. And once you have actually taken a look at the different people linking to the top ranking search results that you want to rank for, what you will do is you will create better than the existing versions of this content. So just take a look at the top search results and just make an improved version, add some more information, add more images, make it a more likable version of the top search results. And now you can follow the last step, which is approach the people linking to competitors and ask them to link to you. So as I told you guys, why did you open up those backlinks? Because what you're going to do is you're just going to take a look at the people that are linking to the top ranking results, and you're going to be like, hey, maybe you mentioned this recipe on your blog about top ice cream recipes, and my recipe is very much a improved version of that, so it would be amazing if you backlink to me as well. And just reach out in a very simple manner and you will be good to go. And in this way you can get a lot of backlinks. Now, the next way that you can get backlinks for free is to go into an index. So this is an example of an index, such as an index for animal shelters. And what these websites or indexes basically are is that these are places where people have linked to a lot of other websites. So that is the entire purpose of this page. In this way, you can find an index related to the industry that you want to create, or related to the keyword that you want to relate to. And just find a couple of relevant indexes and reach out to them. And if they have editing options, edit those indexes, add your own links, or reach out to the writers of those indexes and be like, hey, I have seen that you have mentioned so and so. It would be amazing if you mention my website as well. Usually, more often than not, they will easily mention your website in that index. Now, the next way that you can begin building backlinks for free is using a freelance article writing platform, such as Medium. So Medium is a platform where anyone can write any kind of article, and all you have to do is click on Get Started, sign in to create an account. You can just enter your email address. That is all you need. And once you have entered that basic information, you can start writing articles. And you can write any kind of article and link back to your own websites. And this is a fantastic way for you to build high domain authority backlinks. So this will not only help you in building backlinks, but you will also get more exposure for your web page, because a lot of people are reading these articles and you will get more exposure with that. Now, next up, you also have Hub Pages. It's a pretty similar article writing platform. And my last tip for building more backlinks is using Quora. So a lot of people are asking questions on Quora, and you can reply to them with your own website link, depending on what the question is. For example, if your article is how to make the best chocolate ice cream, then you can, or if your website or keyword is, chocolate ice cream recipe, then you can search on Quora for what are the best chocolate ice cream recipes, ? And reply to the people that have asked. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.